Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel where we're going to be talking about Forex, crypto trading, and all financial markets and how to learn, how to strategize, how to realize, see projections, and learn how to be a profitable trader for the long run. So first of all, we're going to start with Bitcoin. Obviously, the big boys. Bitcoin is the one who controls the market. When Bitcoin gets sick, the entire crypto ecosystem just get a heart attack pretty much. So as we can see, I've been talking in my free channel for the last 3 weeks that Bitcoin was going to see a big drop literally after the spot Bitcoin ETS was approved. Why? When we start seeing a lot of news into the market, like everybody talking about crypto, you get what I'm saying? That's the time where they are looking for liquidity, like the big institutions are looking for liquidity to be able to exit their massive positions. Because listen, institutions not gonna buy Bitcoin, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here neither. Institutions buy in this area, maybe, who knows, maybe a small position right here, but for sure they're gonna be buying in here and in here. So why we're gonna be looking to buy when the institutions are looking to sell? If we buy, we're just giving liquidity to the institution. So in this channel, you're gonna learn how to think as an institutional body, right? The simplest ways it is. Every single time that you're gonna be thinking, oh, I'm gonna put this, and that, like small retail investors. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Don't listen anything that I'm saying. I'm just talking about what the stuff that I think. Don't listen anything that I say. Don't buy, don't sell, don't do anything. This is educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so you already know, don't do anything that I'm saying. I'm just putting my thoughts into the entire situation towards this video, right, for educational purposes to all of you guys out there. So what I'm saying is this: institutions, they cannot buy $100 like normal people do, that they put in Cash App or in Venmo or whatever app they used to buy crypto. Oh, I'm gonna buy $100 every week or $1,000 every week. No, they buy hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars in one time. They cannot be doing it like, oh, I'm gonna put $50 and $100. No. So if you start thinking that every single time that you put $100 into anything, any financial market, any investment, just think and say, what I will do if I'm putting $100 million in this investment. You will change your entire mindset, your entire point of view on the entire system. That's why I'm not buying right now. I've been actually selling, and people is like, oh, why are you selling? Are you crazy? Crypto is the future. Yeah, it's the future, but that doesn't mean that it's gonna happen right now at this moment. You know what I'm saying? Everything have a time and a place to be. Right now is just not the time. Right now is not the time for the bull run. We're still a little bit far from the halving. If we check in this website, in the Bitcoin halving countdown, we're still almost 3 months, like two months and 3 weeks, 81 days, 12 hours and 28 minutes. So why do you think they're gonna just go into the bull mode and 1,000% X in all the cryptocurrency market? No, we still need to wait. Everything is in the right time, at the right moment. God has a plan, God has a way, God have a timing for everything. We just have to follow the timing of the financial markets. How? Understanding how the financial markets move, how to understand it, try to learn how institutions place their positions, and try to look for positions the same area or as closest as we can as the institutions to have more probabilities of win. Because remember, this battle is like us retail traders with the big boys. You know what I'm saying? You cannot say that you're going to control the market unless you have a hedge fund that manage, like, I don't know, $1 trillion. And even if you have $1 trillion in the stock market, $1 trillion is like this. It's nothing, right? The same as in the crypto, in the crypto market, you can manipulate, because the entire crypto market, as we can see in here, in internet, is $1.7 trillion. We can also check in here in the coin market cap. The market cap is $1.5 trillion right now for the entire crypto market. If we check the entire volume that the forex exchange market move every single day, is $2,409 trillion. It's like 2,000 2,409 times bigger than the entire crypto market, as the same as the stock market. The stock market is $22,649 trillion, guys. Like, it's just insane. It's just 22,649 times bigger than the entire crypto market. So now, like I said, this is not financial advice, but let's see this. Do you think that there is a possibility that in the future, anywhere from 1 to 3 to 5 years, a little bit of the small portion of the stock market and the forex market comes and be injected into the cryptocurrency market? Because as you can see, forex is 2,409 times bigger, and the stock market is 22,000 times bigger. So imagine that 10% of these markets get transfers, like, because everything involved is just transference of wealth. The money is a circle. You know, the wealthy people, they just move the money around. They just move that, they put the money here, then they move it here, then they move it here, and they've been moving it into the spaces that they can grow the most. Right now, the space that have the biggest potential of the upside potential is cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, no financial advice, I'm no financial advisor. Don't listen to anything that I'm saying. I'm just in here, just talking to the camera, right? So coming back to here, I'm expecting Bitcoin reach at least a minimum of $35,000, and I will be seeing how the price is moving and reacting in that area, because there is a high probability potential that the institutions are placing small positions in there, because also something about institutions is that they cannot just place $1,000 trillion in one single position. If they're gonna put $100 million, as an example, they need to put 20 million. For example, they have to put 20 million right here. Let me put in 20 million right here, 20 million right here, 20 million right here, 20 more in here. And then the biggest position that they are allowed to do, because they are financial institutions, they have rules to follow. Because if they only can put $1,000 trillion in one single spot without any remorse, right, they're gonna create a huge candle like this big, right, and then just destroy the market. So they cannot do that. Not like that. They have to diversify their positions in small positions until they reach their higher position price point, right? So knowing this, they have to look for areas where to buy, which it will be probably here, here, and also here, right? So we're gonna be placing positions in here, and here, and here. Like I said, don't do anything that I'm saying. Don't you dare to do anything that I'm saying. Nothing. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy, don't sell anything, right? This is me saying what I think, speculating, right? Just letting my thoughts and my mindset and my 6 years of experience in the financial markets speak for myself. But like I say, don't listen to me. You get what I'm saying? Do not listen to me. It's prohibited, right? So what we're gonna be looking is just waiting for this market to retrace into that area, right? So what's gonna happen when the market, which already happened, it already broke in here, so we're gonna be looking for a retracement potentially again to the $40,000 area, to then probably see a massive drop like I put in the screen, this little graph right here. So if cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is gonna drop into the $35,000 area, it will be a 9% drop. If it decides to go to the $32,000 to $30,000 area, it will be a 19% drop. So as you know, when Bitcoin gets sick, the entire cryptocurrency gets heart attack and potentially die. That's how basically it moves, right? So what we're gonna be looking for is all the high potential and good blue chips in the cryptocurrency market to be looking to get a discounted price. Because if Bitcoin go 20% down, that means that something like XRP is gonna go 40% down, right? Something like Solana is gonna go probably like, I don't know, a 50, 60% down, right? Maybe a 40% down. That's what I'm waiting in here to look for potential adding positions and collecting more coins for the bull run and have a big back to the moon. But like I say, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just speculating right now. So the same as GRT, Link. Link is a very good project, but as you can see, look, Link right now is in accumulation zone. So we cannot be buying, we cannot be selling, we cannot be doing anything, right? So what I'm expecting is break this support area, look for a retesting here and be looking for a drop until this area, and then potentially just go to the upside for the bull run. Also, we have in here a trend line. We have my indicator that is saying that is in consolidation zone. As you can see, my indicator where it's in green, it literally goes up. When it's red, it literally just go down. It cannot be simpler than that. Also, I recommend you to follow my free Telegram channel where I post all the analysis and stuff that you can guys use to leverage and learn how to understand and interpret the financial markets, and then, you know, maybe use it in your favor. Who knows, right? Only you and God knows, right? And also the institutions. Don't forget that. They also know everything. So for example, in XLM, Stellar Lumen, my first position of buying opportunity is actually getting very close. I'm just waiting for the market to drop a little bit more, probably like a 5%. If it also gets to this area of 0.08 cents, I will be like amazed. I will be super happy because I will be loading big bags for the bull run, right? And this is the entire crypto portfolio that I got right now, that I always analyze, that I check. As you can see, the market is bleeding. The only outliers is Chiliz. As we can see, it just doesn't want to go down, but you will see it's gonna go down big time very soon, because nobody can fight against the big boy as is Bitcoin, right? So as we can see in here, Bitcoin having 80 more days. Also, remember that the FOMC meeting is very soon. It's in 8 days, where the SEC is gonna potentially be hiking the interest rates. If they hike interest rates, guys, and I'm telling you 8 days before, that's where you're gonna see a massive sell-off. Which for me, it sounds good. No hard feelings. I just buy more into the lowest price. I don't care. Simple as that. But if they rise the interest rate, which I believe there is a higher potential of rising it, just because it's been for a very long time, for a couple months, it's being stable. The economy in this country right now is way far to be stable, as you guys know. And if not, just go do your research. So for me, it doesn't make sense that they're gonna stabilize still again the interest rates when we know that this country is in very big problems. We are $34 trillion in debt. Nobody's buying our debt because the other countries are also in debt. So we don't have nobody to save our assets. So what we're gonna do? You get what I'm saying? I don't know, because I don't have any type of information. I don't know what they're gonna do. But what I think is that at some point they're gonna be raising the interest rates, and that's gonna be very good, actually, for people like us, because I see opportunity where other people complain and cry and say, oh, whatever. The biggest opportunities is in crashes, guys. You know, 50% off, 40% off. Why people start buying a bunch of stupid stuff in a Black Friday? Just because is some percentage off. Same is with everything. So see opportunity where other people see crashes. Everybody, every multi-billionaire successful guy says that, and I only follow those type of guys as the guys that I study, because at some point I'm gonna be in that level, in the unicorn level, which is over $1 billion in assets. So let's see, let's wait. Also, you guys can check this website, right? And here it says 0% chances of hike, 97.42% chances of not change, like stabilize, which I really don't think so. Nothing is 0% chance. Nothing is also not 100% chances. So let's see what happens. As you guys know, if they rise the interest, you're gonna see a massive sellout drop, big time, into the entire markets, right? So let's see the top 5 right now: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, XRP. I'm a firm believer of XRP. It's being holding a lot the price. I don't know what's going on with the SEC. You know what I'm saying? We can also check in here in internet to see what is gonna be happening. Let's check the chart of XRP. It's at 50 cents right now. It already took the liquidity of this previous week. What I'm waiting in this area where This area is where the SEC, the Judge Torres says that that XRP is not a security. So we can be looking for this area right here and potentially, you know, taking advantage, because I believe that the institutions that place some buys in here and the same institutions that place some buys in this area right here, which is in the, I don't know why it doesn't, okay, in this area right here is in the 36 cents. I literally pray to God that it doesn't go that down, because I'm gonna be buying in this area right here. So if it goes down, I will have to just buy more, but you know, who cares? You know, it's just money, it's just paper, right? You get what I'm saying? So as we can see also in 8 hours, this candlestick is gonna be closing. Let's check it the 4 hours to see. It literally closed at the same level of the price of this week, which is the 50 cents level. So I would like to see in the next 56 minutes this candlestick close lower than that this week, to also verify a continuation of the drop. Maybe what they're trying to do is just do a retracement. You're gonna say maybe take this liquidity that was in here into the upside right now to keep dropping, or maybe waiting for the FOMC meetings to actually keep dropping the market. Who knows? We just gotta wait and see what happens. I'm gonna be placing this in here, right? And then also a red arrow, because as we can see, there was a break of structure right here, right? I'm gonna put it in black, and then also was a break of structure right here, and also in this week right here. So what we're gonna be doing is just waiting until the market comes into our price point where we're gonna be looking and be comfortable to buy in massive discounts, because I don't like to pay full price for anything. And the simple strategy to make some kind of results in these financial markets is simple: sell high and buy low. If you see markets dropping, like, oh, everybody crying in the street, they don't know what to do, okay, you know, like, I see opportunity, I just buy. If I see everybody talking excited, oh my God, we're gonna get rich to the moon, like, oh my God, this and that, okay, that's my signal to sell. That's how I interpret people. I don't know you guys, but like I say, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't do anything that I say. This is motivational purposes only. If you like this video, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what other videos would you like me to be posting on and talking in here in my new journey as a YouTube content creator in the financial markets. Follow me, subscribe to my channel. Don't be a little p, okay? I'm giving a lot of value to you guys for free. It doesn't take you to just click the bottom, okay? If you want to make money, if you want to be successful, you better be subscribing. Activate the notifications on. Let me know what will you want to learn, because I'm gonna be doing giveaways, free classes, private meetings for free in here in Miami. If you are from Miami, let me know. Let's connect, let's conquer, let's control the world. 2024 is our year, so let's take this opportunity, make it ours, and let's conquer. Let's go, guys. I will be here waiting for you guys to hear what the comments, what you want me to be creating the content. So let's go.